So don't worry about your kid. No need of worrying. But anyway, it is always good to be careful with the kids around. And that too, if they are too small that they don't know what is the seriousness of these things. So take a small portion of it. Even you don't, after you mixing, you get this color. Take some thing and just pull it like this, like we make the modaks. Keep this like a purnam into that, and then cover that and make it a round. Really like a modak kolkata, you have to do this. See, it becomes exact round. Dab some powder in your palm. So like this round you make it, okay? Good, Balambika. So I have taught you to make shape the kurkatai, not exactly kurkatai, how to shape the kurkatai. And take a small portion. See, if you want, you can stick this cap here. Otherwise, with molded itself, you can make the cap. Since I have stuck it here, I want to cover this cap. So with molded, I will cover the cap. It's really very interesting doing things with the molded, because we shape and create things there, and when you see the final product, you'll be really very happy about seeing that. For that thing, any art, when we see the final product, it gives a lot of happiness to us. So like this, you give a covering to the cap. Take the powder, I can smoothen it. But if you don't want to have the cap for the neck, it is okay. You don't have to have it. See, in this, I had the lid. My lid is very small, so I have removed it and I'm going to make it stand like this. In some balls, in the gems ball, the lid was little bigger. So if you remove it, the doll will become very short. So you can use it with the lid and make, if you want that to stand, fix a Fevicryl this cap underneath so that it will stand like this. And on top for neck, you don't have to use the cap. So normally for the fat persons, the neck will be seen shorter. So like that you can. So like this you do, and then fix the head here. If you want, can apply some glue on this and place the head like this. Okay. So let it dry now. So here what I have done is, before placing the head, I have put a small round piece here. I'll show you what I did. Take a small round, make it like this, and then place that and top of it here, and then place the head over this. So it looks like a neck here. So place the ball on top of this. So this is already a bit dry, so we will work on this. Here what I will do is, the first step, initially what I did was like I placed all the jewelry and then painted it. But I think it will be easier to paint it first and then place the jewelry and do the painting over the jewelry again. So what we will do is, we'll keep this for a little bit of drying so that the jewelry making will be little easier. So now we will do that. And I will show you the making of turban also for the male doll. What you will do is, so any doubts so far?
Manju, are you recording it? Because I don't know, suddenly I got disconnected and I'm getting a message saying that this is being recorded.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
just
I am
want to-
recording it. Yeah, I am able to
Okay,
record now. Yeah.
Okay, ma, because I got a message and
Thank
I
you.
got worried whether I am doing the recording, like, you know.
No, no,
Okay.
no. If only the host gives permission, this can be recorded. Since I am using another
App, is it?
equipment
Okay, no,
on a
another,
laptop
okay.
also. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
okay.
recording this. Yeah.
Sure.
Make
Okay, because
yeah.
I took few
Thread
screenshots
like,
for you. Okay.
yeah. Thank you, Sudha. Thank you.
Yeah.
I always have good friends. Sudha, Udiya, Sajita ma'am. Really, that has been very helpful all through my workshops. So like this, make small threads. For the male doll, you can make turbans. I'll do that. I'll do that in this. Okay. You don't have to worry about the length of the cords. You can just shape it, length or thickness of the cords also. You don't have to worry about all those things. Apply some glue on this. Place these cords like turbans. It's actually very simple making. I have not indulged in any very difficult session this time because I'm taking it after a long time. I don't want to make it really too difficult for you. So on top of this, you can make a real good shape here. If you want, otherwise actually it is not going to show up much. The final thing is give nice shape. Like this, you can make the turban. This meeting is going to end in 10 minutes. So join me again with the same link. So like this, you have to do the turban. Just let it dry. Now what will I do is take some more little bit of equal quantity of molded. I used to mix it very little by little. But if at all there is leftover, what you do is for the jewelry, you can make small balls and keep it, let it dry. And finally, you can use that. So this is for the female doll. Konda, you have to place it like this. Okay. For flowers, what you can do is make small portions like this. And with a knife or so, give a plus mark here. And then with a brush, you can press it in the center and make it look like a flower. Like this. Or you can make little oval shapes. And with the brush, you can just give it like a oval shape and then close it like this. So this only I have kept it like flowers. Later after painting it black, painting the hair black. Then later I made these flowers, painted it white and then placed it on the kondai like this. Can you see this? So now I have stuck only the kondai part. And then for the jewelry, make a thread, make a cord. There is a bit of dryness in this molded, so that's why it is taking off. See, this one thing I cannot pre-prepare and keep it. Cut it. After coloring, you can do this cord and color it, and then after painting the doll, you work on this. Since I have made the mixed the clay, I'm showing you like this. Make a big, and I have already made some small balls like this and a dollar like this. So it is all depends on your liking. Like this, you can paste it here. So that I'll just keep it like this. And then for the ears, what you do is make a small round and make it like a conical shape. Press it on the one side and make it a conical shape. And then fix the ears like this. Make it a small round of the same size. The same size, press it in the one end, make it like a tilak shape, and then put it on the other side. It's properly not properly mixed here. Like this. Can you see it? So see to that you are doing it symmetrically. Okay. And make two small rounds for the studs. And then press it a bit Make it like a stud and then stick it here. Small round and press it like this. Make it like look like a stud. And press it here. And you can use a glue for sticking it also. And the jewelry should be really bold in these dolls, because these people are considered like Raja and Rani also, king and queen also, they make it. And for the grocer also, they consider these people, or really these sect of people will be wearing a really bold jewelry. So you can make it, make big jewelries for them. So what I'll do is first start painting here.